Hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Deep Driving. I was doing a yogarati workshop this morning, and I started the workshop the way I normally do by eliminating expectations for political correctness. And what do I mean by that? I tell people that for me to do a politically correct workshop means that I would have to psychically read every single one of their minds to know every single thing that's happened in their lives so that I don't say something that offends them, which, if you really think about it, is impossible. So we started the workshop, and one of the things that we talked about, because when we're about to do yogarati and working with teachers, it's all about being silly and getting on the floor with the kids and being joyous and being happy with them. So I start by using an amazing technique that I got from My Life, My Power, Daniel Pewter, shout out. And it's called the Being Comfortable box. And I talk about how in life, we like to be comfortable. When we're comfortable, we don't allow ourselves to grow because we don't have growing pains. We don't have that pain that you get when you're thinking about something new. Like when I used to wrestle or when I used to compete in other things, I would get those butterflies and like that anticipation. That would make me uncomfortable, and that way I knew that I totally want to be part of what's about to happen. And the four things that keep us from being comfortable or from being uncomfortable are, number one, being in control. There's people that still think that there are things in life that they can control, and they try to control people, places, and things in their world. There's no such thing as control. It's a concept and it's a construct created by humanity, and it doesn't work, it doesn't exist. Just like pressure. No one ever pressured you into doing anything. You didn't make a choice that was powerful and beneficial for yourself, and then in the long run, instead of looking at yourself and finding out why is it that I caved in, why did I not do what I wanted to do to fulfill my commitment to myself, instead, what did we end up doing? We just ended up giving in, and then later on, instead of looking at ourselves and figuring out why we didn't make the choice we wanted to, we just go, he pressured me, fine, we're good to go. Looking good. People care about looking good. They care about what other people think. I never understood that. I would understand being interested in the people in your lives and how they look at you, but people care about other people that don't even know them. It doesn't make sense to me. The third one is playing it safe. People love to play things safe. They don't like to be a little excited. You want to stop playing safe? Go jump on a roller coaster, no matter what your brain's telling you. And the last one, we talked about control, playing it safe, looking good, and one of the most important ones, being right. How many of you like to be right about things? I have learned a long time ago by being trained by all my ex-girlfriends, I'm never right, I'm always wrong, and that way I'm always happy. Think about that, some deep stuff and deep driving. Talk to you guys soon.